So I just worked out, so I don't feel like showing my face, but I wanted to show you the cords I got. So I got these from a local area here in Georgia. This is the black one. This is the kind of light lavender. I hope that's a good, like this one looks gray, but it's not gray, it's the lavender. And then I got a metallic pink. And then I got a like baby pink. There we go, that lighting's much better. And then I kind of got more of a darker pink. So like, there is a pretty big difference in that. And then the metallic is actually kind of more like the light pink. But I don't know, I like pink, okay? And then I have the gold because obviously. Pearl, which is probably my favorite. So excited. And then I got normal white, whoops, falling apart. I got normal white. And then obviously turquoise, cause duh. So I am so excited. And I picked up a whole bunch of new charms as well to kind of do them as well. So I think pearl is gonna be my favorite. Like these two together, or like even adding a black, like look at that. Yes, or, cause that always looks good. But even like sneak in the lavender, right? So cute, but pearl hands down my fave. And like, think about this guy, like on this, like this would be amazing. So yeah, super excited for these guys. And I did pick up some more charms. These ones I'm super excited about. Let me see if I can get one of these bad boys out. Like these were kind of like a hidden gem, I feel like, and I was so excited that I found these. So this is gonna look really cute. And I also got some silver versions of like these guys. When I made jewelry, I use these quite a bit. And these are like a really standard thing for jewelry. And I got silver ones, so I thought this would be so cute with the pearl, and then like there's a little silver one there. So it would be like this, but with silver, and then that on the end. How stinking cute would that be? I'm so excited. And then if I use, man, if I used the pearl, I mean, come on. It doesn't get any better than that. Although black would look really good. Or like even a light pink. Light pink, I guess, is this one. Oh, I'm so excited to make a million of these. So I'm about to cut new releases because it is Friday at 4:30. I finally got the silver done. I'm in a much better mood than I was last time I think you saw me. So I was exhausted. Just this week has just been terrible. So I'm glad that it's Friday. We are going to go on a double date with another couple. But look how pretty this silver is. You know, the silver actually looks really good on the glitter headers. Move the, let me just grab one, like this purple. Like, look how pretty that looks. Like, it just looks really pretty. So I'm excited to cut all these up. I wish I could do them all at once, like, or just like a couple chunks. I mean, I probably could if I like looked for it. I mean, they're all pretty much in the same spot, but I don't want to risk it. So Mike got a new lip for his car and he is so excited. When we get all cleaned up, because like the dealers don't really do anything like really nice to it. They kind of just like clean it off and you like look at it and you're like, oh my God, what did you do to this car? So that's kind of like how I feel, because my dad actually competes in competitions for detailing and he got first place this year, which is really exciting. but I really like taking care of my car. So I just have a little Jetta, and Mike had a 135, and then we replaced it with the Corvette. So I still have my little Jetta, which is perfect, and he has his Corvette. And so we were just watching it the other day, and his friend has an M3, so his friend just got an M5. Our other friend just got an M3, and then we have the Corvette, and they're all into cars, so they really like cars, so this is like their thing. I was like, man, you're having your midlife crisis early. I was like, God, what's gonna happen when you turn 50, right? I mean, think about it. I am SOL. If he's doing a Corvette now, that's your midlife crisis car, bro. So, needless to say, I got a lot to worry about when he gets older. He's only 31. But he's having so much fun with it, so it makes it okay. Like, so much fun. So it's all good. I'll probably get, obviously I'm gonna get the next car. So I'll probably get an SUV. That's kind of, ooh, my hair is just natural, sleeping on it. Wave, did nothing today. I have no makeup on. I had to roll into work at like 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, because we had some issues that essentially is what has been stressing me out forever, like the last 3 weeks, and things hit the fan. And then I work tomorrow, Saturday, at 8:30. So I'm busy with that, and then I want to get all these new releases up, and they're almost all cut. Not all of the foiled stuff is cut. I really essentially, everything is foiled, but not everything is cut. So I essentially foiled everything, and then I cut for the new release video. And then Sunday, I think I'm really going to cut the, like, the stock that I'm gonna carry. Unfortunately, silver, I'm not gonna be able to carry as much until I can order a bunch. And I don't wanna go in and order right now because I just did a bunch of gold, and like the shipping is $20 on the foil. So foil's expensive, and then you have $20 shipping on top of it. And I have like 4 more rolls of gold before I'm out. So it's quite a bit before I would be able to replace the silver. So I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I want to go ahead and just bite the bullet and get more silver. It depends how silver sells this week. If it doesn't, and I like keep a lot in stock, problem solved. If not, then problem not solved, then I have to order some. Cause I think, I know like they do some rose gold, and I have some rose gold. I've always had issues with rose gold, but I've always had issues with just matte paper in general. So I don't offer any matte paper anymore for foiled items because it sucks so bad. When I say so bad, I mean I would, no, like to the point where people have tried to get rid of the matte option for foil, and like people are like, no, I love it. It's like you have to do like, for every one good one, there's probably 3 or 4 mess ups. So that really sucks. And I feel for the shops who offer matte, because I used to. And as soon as I was able to figure out foiling on glossy, because my printer wouldn't take it, and a fellow shop owner, which I don't want to give out her name, her and I were talking about foiling and how much of a pain it is. And so she is like, oh, we'll try this. Worked like a charm. So I owe a lot of debt to her. She was so nice, she did not have to do that. Maybe I'll ask her if I can share her name in my vlog. Cause you guys would know who it is. Like, trust me, you would know who it is. So, but I feel like shop owners don't like to share things, and I get it. Like there's certain things that I won't share unless I get really close to you and I like super trust you. There's definitely been a few people I've shared some of stuff that I don't think most people would normally share, and I have shared plenty of shop things that I wouldn't just tell to the random public, to those people. So I think when you develop relationships with people, who are fellow shop owners, like you guys end up kind of bonding and realizing, yeah, you're competing, but like, there's so many people who buy stickers. Like, to be honest, okay, to be honest, I like doing YouTube better than I like doing stickers. I like designing stickers a lot. I don't like cutting and printing because my cutters are a pain in the butt. So I get stressed out. So I like all aspects of it, but it's definitely certain parts of it. Try my patience, okay? I'm sure, actually, there's a vlog not too long ago, actually that went public not too long ago, and I was like, I'm going to kill every cutter I own. And it was just funny, like, if I remember, I'll link it. But if I can't, I have it like on the slate, like the actual YouTube slate. It's like, I think a 4 picture of like, shop is driving me crazy. Or maybe it's called Shop Problems. I think it's Shop Problems is the name of the vlog. It wasn't during Vlogmas, it was after Vlogmas. You know what, I've talked for 8 minutes and I'm cutting stickers. I hope that's not super loud, because that would really suck. Yeah, I could see some of the things being like really loud, but like, I hope that's not like really, really loud. But like, look at these green. I mean, I love gold, but like silver on the headers look amazing. No wonder people kept asking for silver. And I thought I would be a gold girl for the headers. I mean, I'm still a gold girl, but like, let's see. Oh yeah, have I cut? I don't think I've cut dark blue yet. No, I think it's this one. Yeah. So, great that I used half of these, but don't, let me see if it'll focus. Yeah. So it gives a completely different look. I may like the silver more. Shh. And then, so I showed this in, I think my last vlog. Sorry, I didn't even realize. I'm not even, like, I'm looking this way and I'm like, oh yeah, there's the camera, but I'm like not even looking. But I think I showed this already. I don't know if it's gonna focus. It's like on the camera. There we go. Isn't this so pretty? I'm like completely into like these colors right now. I have another kit in mind that I want to do that's not those colors. But I feel like it's like perfect like spring transition, and like the themes are so different. Like I don't see many people, I don't see anybody actually with the stuff I'm coming out with, which that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create my own. I mean, yeah, of course there'll be people who have the same clip art as you, but I'm like digging. So if you don't see someone with clip art, it means no one saw mine released yet on YouTube or Etsy or Instagram, that I've been able to get it up before everybody else. And that right there, my friend, is the hardest thing to do. Like even these oranges, which I thought orange would look bomb in gold, which it does, don't get me wrong. I'm like blown away by these colors. I wonder if I can, yeah, I'm trying to use the light behind the camera to see if I can cut. I just won't cut super close. Yeah, see, I knew that one would get close. I knew one of them would get close, but we're actually going back to Rumi's Kitchen. I think that vlog just went up again. You know, I don't know what vlogs I put up. That's the terrible thing. Like, I'm pretty sure I know what vlogs I put up, but like, I gotta get moving because I gotta come home. I think we have to go to Home Depot. I need to put a face on because I am not gonna be scaring everybody tonight. It's like a nicer place, so. Holy shit. Yeah, I gotta stop vlogging and jibber jabbing and cut this kit because it's so pretty. And the bottom washi, which is right here. I love it because it like, the foil isn't like over and it kind of like sprinkles down. So it's like kind of more solid and then it kind of fades off down here. I debated if I wanted to bring the gold all the way down here. I may, like, in the future. I did it on my last kit. I don't think people really cared if it was there or not. I thought it was good because it was kind of like if you're extending the weekend, you totally could. Or like if you're doing glitter headers, it's kind of like giving you 3 or 4 glitter headers. Is it 4? Yeah, it's like 4 glitter headers. Yeah, some of it got down there, but it's not like down there on purpose, like it's supposed to be there type thing. I hope that makes sense. So I'm feeling going to Home Depot right now because my husband's calling me.